Hello and welcome. If you're a student or a parent shortlisting engineering colleges in Coimbatore for the 2026 admissions, then this overview of Rathinam Technical Campus is for you. We're going to break down everything you need to know.
So here's how we'll approach this. We're going to look at this college like the major investment it is. We'll start with the first impressions and achievements, then dig into the college's foundation. After that, we'll see what courses are on offer, talk about the return on that investment, and finally cover the campus facilities. Let's get started.
All right, first things first, let's look at the credentials that make this institution stand out, both in Tamil Nadu and across India.
Right off the bat, Rathinam Technical Campus has a NAAC A+ grade. Now, getting an A+ is a fantastic achievement for any college, but here's the real kicker. They got this in their very first accreditation cycle. That says a lot about the quality standards they've set from the beginning.
And to see where they stand nationally, well, the Government of India's NIRF rankings for 2025 placed them in the 201 to 300 band for engineering. This puts them in a very competitive league of institutions nationwide.
Okay, so those are the big headlines. Now let's get into the foundational details, the stuff that builds trust and confirms the college's legitimacy.
Here are the core facts. It's an autonomous institution, which is great because it gives them the freedom to update their curriculum. But it's still affiliated with Annie University, so you get that solid academic backing. It was established in 2011, and admissions, as you'd expect, are through TNEA counseling.
The college is run by the Rathinam Arumugam Research and Educational Foundation, and their whole philosophy revolves around what they call the 3 I's: innovation, incubation, and industry. This tells you their focus isn't just on theory, but on creating things and connecting with the real world.
And just to be absolutely clear on the essential approvals, yes, the college has current, valid AICTE approval for the upcoming academic year. And as we saw, that top-tier NAAC accreditation is valid right through November 2026. These are the non-negotiables you should always check for.
Now, this is important. Beyond the overall college rating, 3 of their main branches, that's ECE, IT, and Mechanical, have individual NBA accreditation. Think of it this way. NAAC is like a report card for the whole school, but NBA is a deep dive, program-by-program quality check. It's a very good sign. Okay, with that solid foundation of quality, let's see what engineering programs you can actually get into here. In total, the college offers 1,290 undergraduate engineering seats through TNEA counseling. Those seats are spread across the foundational branches you'd expect, like computer science, ECE, IT, and mechanical, the core stuff. But here's where it gets really interesting. Look at their focus on new age specializations. They have dedicated degree programs in super high demand fields like AI and data science, AI ML, and cybersecurity. This shows they're really tuned in to where the industry is heading. And it's great to see that for students who've done their schooling in Tamil medium, there's a dedicated BE program in computer science and engineering available in Tamil. And delivering all these diverse programs is a team of 211 regular faculty members according to the official data submitted for the NIRF rankings. All right, let's get to the question that's probably on everyone's mind. What's the bottom line? What are the outcomes after 4 years? Let's talk about the return on investment. The highest salary package reported for the 2025-26 batch is a very impressive 45 lakhs per annum. But you know, the highest package can sometimes be a one-off. What's more telling is the median salary, which gives you a picture of what a typical student earns. And according to the latest NIRF data, that number was 5.8 lakhs per annum for the batch that graduated in 2024. That's a solid, stable number. And as you might expect, the top recruiters list includes the big names from the IT services industry, which means there are plenty of large-scale hiring opportunities for students. But a good college experience is about more than just that first job, right? The college has a real focus on research too, with 22 funded research projects going on in just the last academic year alone. And remember that philosophy of innovation? Well, it's not just talk. That culture has led to 5 patents being granted, which is a tangible result of their research efforts. Now for the day-to-day practicalities. Let's take a quick look at the facilities that support student life on campus.
The essentials are all covered. There are separate, permanent hostels on campus for boys and girls. The mess serves both veg and non-veg food. And there are college transport facilities, plus it's quite close to the Coimbatore Junction railway station.
And to help with the financial side of things, the college facilitates access to a whole range of government scholarships, whether you're eligible based on community, merit, or your family's background.
So let's pull all of this together. If you had to boil it down, what are the key things that really define Rathinam Technical Campus? First, and we have to mention this again, it's that AACRA A+ grade right out of the gate. Achieving that in the first attempt is rare, and it signals a very strong commitment to quality from day one.
Second, it's not just about academics, it's about application. That national ranking in the top 50 for innovation from the Ministry of Education shows that this college's focus goes beyond the classroom into solving real problems.
And third, you can see a proven culture of serious research here. When you're attracting funds from top-tier national bodies like the Indian Council of Medical Research and the Department of Atomic Energy, you know the work being done is significant.
So when you look at the whole picture, the strong accreditations, the forward-looking programs, and the genuine research focus, it presents a very compelling case. The real question for you and your family is the one on the screen.
All the information we've shared in this explainer is based on the college's official website and trusted government portals at the time we prepared this. To continue your research, explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.